Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jose and today we will be playing Rodeo Stampede. I was going to play like a zombie survival gun game, but I couldn't find the one that I wanted to play, so we're playing this. If you like my videos, subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notifications to join Team Canada, and like this video too. And if you want me to play a specific game on the PC, comment down below. Also, it has to be a free game, so yeah. Okay, 1 out of 17. Hurry up! Don't have all day. Seriously, don't have all day. Are you done yet? Finally. Wait, can you hear the music or no? I don't know. I don't think you guys can hear it. No, change my hero. Yeah, I like that. Done. Wait, is that a girl? No, that's a girl. Oh, come on. Fine, I'm gonna change it later. Okay, easy. Yeah, Cape Buffalo. Alija. Okay, shut up music, shut up music. Okay, give me that zebra. Hey, befriended a zebra. Young punk. I want to change my hero. Change my hero. Fine, open this. Stampede, yay! Benzoo for 22. Okay. No, give me a hero. Change it. Change my hero to a boy. Is it a boy? Yep, it's a boy now. I like the white. Where? Okay. It's been almost 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Don't crash into some buffalo. Do not crash. Oh, a different type of buffalo. A forest buffalo. I should take your picture right there. Ooh! Almost got a zebra. Ooh, a new type of zebra. No, I'm in an okay. Have to be patient. Stay on a buffalo for 9 seconds. Okay. Challenge accepted. You're gonna give me ad, aren't you? Told you. Actually, motion. Maybe we'll play it. I don't know. I'll stay on this buffalo for 9 seconds. Oh, look at this beast! Get out of my park. African elephant, you're my new best friend. Look at that buffalo. Oof! Oof, that was close. No! That was not fair. We tried. Oh, come on, this lag. Ooh, feisty. Okay, just some buffalo inside. Hey, my high score is beaten. 1,000 meters. Okay, zebra, you're mine. Okay, we're in the zebra and buffalo area, but mostly zebra. Come on! Oh, man. Okay. Hey. This paper. Oh! Got resurrected. Wow. Give me that new species. No! Oh man, I missed a new species. I'm just joking, it's not a new species! And I suck. Stay on buffer for 9 seconds. Yeah, that's me. I do not like this lag. Okay, $92. A zoo. I wanna see my zoo! Open for business. Okay. No. Okay. Watching that to unlock. Sure. Oh, Rolling Sky! I absolutely love this game. Yeah, we might play it. Rolling Sky, yeah, actually, yeah. Buffalo habit, zebra habit, build. Elephant habit. Hey, I have buffalo, elephant, and zebra. Upgrade. Okay, yeah, not enough coins back. Wanna ride it. Wanna ride it. Okay. Oh, we get to start with which animal we want. That's a cool feature. 10, 19. Wait, what? Okay, 600. Okay. What's happened? What the heck, glitch? Ha ha ha. Okay, I do not know what happened. Okay. I'm gonna play Rolling Sky. Okay. Sorry, I just ditched ya. No, actually, I'm not sorry. You're the one who should be sorry for lagging on me. No one lags on me. I don't know. Is this gonna be a boring video? Playing poki games. Do a better game next time. Okay. 3, 2, 1. This is gonna be easy. Okay, up. Did not know what that did. 2, 1. Like the music. I don't think you guys can hear it. Okay, 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 okay. Windows 10. Yep, I would like a Windows 10. I don't like this lag. Okay. Now I just remember how advanced this is on this is very hard on mobile, I think. I played this on mobile before, not laptop. One minute left. Oh God. You're wasting my 1 minute. You know what? If you like this video, subscribe, like, share, and I will see you in the next one.